Inches. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl AmandaEnsing, and today I'm gonna show you how to go from fugly cute. I uploaded this picture on my Instagram and I was like, hey guys, I got a new hair curler. I'm getting better. Do we want a tutorial? Do we still watch hair tutorials? Yes, you guys were like, okay, give it to me. So today we're just gonna get ready and my makeup's already done, so I'm just gonna do my hair because it looks bad, like very, very bad right now. I dried my hair with my Dyson airwrap. I freaking love this. I reviewed it when it first came out last year, but literally this little attachment, I just brushed my hair dry, and my hair naturally is pretty curly, but I didn't even straighten it or anything. I just ran through it, and this really blows it out and straightens it at the same time. If you hate doing your hair like I do, like I actually hate doing my hair, this is a lifesaver. It makes things so much faster. All I put in my hair is some kerastase gold elixir oil and some Brazilian blowout ionic bonding spray because I have Brazilian blowout and it keeps my blowout lasting longer. So now we are ready to go in and wave the hair. What is this? I'm gonna use this 3-barrel. It's very hot right now. I'm gonna use this to wave my hair. I actually found this on Amazon, and out of everything, it was like the highest reviewed wand. All it does is it has 3 different barrels like so. I'll link it down below. You guys can get it on Amazon if you want, but I really, really like it. It has an on and off button and it has like a control setting. I have mine set to 210 degrees Celsius, which I think is very hot. Before you go in with heat, you definitely want to use a heat protectant. I usually use this one. This is from Redken. It's the Pillow Proof Blow Dry, and this is a time-saving blow dry and a primer with heat protection. You can definitely use another one on top of that. I just don't like too many products in my hair, plus my hair is fake anyways. I have K-tips from Bellamy Pro. I usually use the tape-in extensions, but I've had the K-tips, which are individual bonds. I've had these for I think 2 weeks now, and I really, really like them. They're individual, so they move a lot easier. So I know I'm gonna get my hair done every once in a while, so I don't worry about it too much, but I do use a lot of conditioners and oils and stuff on my actual hair, and I get Brazilian blowouts every 3 to 4 months, which has really saved my hair and helped it grow, and that's also why my hair isn't as curly as it used to be. Anyways, that's a story for another day. So let's go ahead and start curling. Now, I hate doing my hair, like hate doing my hair. I can do makeup all day long, but hair is not something I ever really like to do. So this is going to be like Easy Girl's hair tutorial for wavy hair. So I'm going to part my hair. Gotta make sure I don't get my hair stuck in my piercings back here. It's so annoying. So I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. All right, so I'm just gonna clip it up here. Super cute. Ew, girl. Wow, so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna brush out the bottom half, and I have a lot of hair right now. The reason it looks kind of messy is because I dried it last night and slept on it. And I don't know about you, but if I dry my hair and I don't style it, straighten or curling wand, I feel like it gets a little bit weird the next day, but we good. All right, let's do this. What I love about this is how easy it is. It's so easy, and you can do it fast, or you can take your time and make the curl a little bit more intense. So what I like to do is I grab a pretty big piece and I'm just gonna hold it here, maybe 10 to 15 seconds, just depends on, you know, how patient I am, how I feel. And then I move down and do it again, and you see how there's a little curl here? I make sure I don't pull it super tight. If you pull it really tight, I feel like it pulls the curl out. So I make sure to push it upwards. And again, the longer you wait, the more curled it's gonna be. It's really, really easy. It just kind of takes a long time depending on how long your hair is and how tight you want the curl. And also, the smaller the pieces, the tighter they will be. Literally, that's it. That's it. It's so fast. Whenever I'm in a hurry, I do it really fast throughout my hair, and I can have like a semi-cute hairstyle in no time. Like, I'm not even really sectioning my hair. I'm super lazy with this, and it looks really cute. On the bottom half, I tend to work pretty fast, like in really big sections, because I don't care if the bottom is a little bit less wavy. The trick to this is just patience, which is annoying. When you curl your hair with a curling iron, I feel like you're always like, you know, you gotta take it off because you don't want to burn your hair. But with this, You really have to let it sit there so that it waves the hair. If you can hear sirens, I'm sorry, but welcome to LA. The first time I used this on my hair, I went way too fast and the hair was too loose. I didn't like it at all. Hopefully you guys can see. I know my camera is making my hair look just so dark right now. The joys of having dark hair never shows anything. I swear sometimes I want blonde hair, like whenever I want to do cute braids and stuff. I feel like lighter hair just makes style show up so much more. My dark hair never shows anything. But I'll try to get another clip whenever I'm done. For the other side, it's the same thing. I'm just holding the wand, but this way it's facing my face instead of away. So it's the same way on both sides. It's just on a different side of your face. And again, I'm like pushing it up towards my face. I never thought crimping your hair would be a thing again. But I feel like the crimps like back in the day were super tiny. Like this is a huge piece of hair. I can never do this with the curling one, which is another reason why I like the waver. It's so fast. I mean, it's a totally different style than curling your hair, but we like it. You know when your nose itches and you don't want to mess up your makeup. All right, bottom half is done. All right, now I just split the top into 2 sections. So I'm gonna do the same thing all over my head as I did on the bottom half, just in smaller sections, so that way it's a little bit wavier. Because I feel like the top half is what really shows the most. I usually leave an inch or 2 out on the bottom, but you can go even lower if you want. I'll show you. You can go all the way to the bottom if you want. And then it's also gonna curl the bottom. For the smaller pieces up front, I try not to leave them for too long because they're thinner pieces of hair. Ain't nobody trying to burn their bangs off. All right, kids, I think we are done. You can go back and touch up any pieces you need to touch up. Honestly, I didn't think this side was gonna be as good because I kept dancing to a new playlist that I made. Also be careful because this wand is very hot. Do not burn yourself dancing, okay? To finish the look, we are going to brush and spray. You don't have to use hairspray if you don't want to. Usually I don't really use a whole lot of hairspray. I want my style to last as long as possible before I have to wash all of this hair again, so I don't like too much product in my hair. However, I have 2 things to show you. One hairspray I really like, this one from L'Oreal in the gold bottle. This is the L'Oreal Paris El Net Satin. This is the extra hold, so this one along with the Nexus hairspray are my 2 favorite from the drugstore. Nexus also has one that's like a very comfortable hold, but today I'm gonna use the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This is instant lasting volume and texture. Voila, she's fancy today. This is like for your roots mainly, but I like to use it towards the bottom of my hair. It's gonna plump everything up. So I'm gonna take my wet brush, I love this brush, and I'm just going to brush through the hair lightly. And I'm gonna spray this towards the ends mainly. It just fattens up the hair, which the more hair, the better. The bigger the hair, the closer to heaven, honey. One thing that drives me crazy is if my part is not straight. I swear every time I go get my hair done, I'm like, yeah, I want a center part, and my part will be over here. I'm like, hello. So I try to make it center-ish, but it looks good. I'm using this little comb. You can also take a little comb like this and hold the bottom of your hair and bring the hair upwards if you want it even fluffier. And then last thing I'm gonna do is take the Eco Style. I love this so much. I got it from Sally Beauty. The Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil. I use this to lay the edges of my hair, my baby hairs, when they're super curly and they won't move. But today I'm just gonna take some on my finger, and it's a gel, but I promise you it's not crunchy. It will not build up on your hair. So I like to take this right in the front of my part just to smooth it down. I always have so many random baby hairs and it drives me crazy. This also conditions the hair. I like to use it on all of my baby hairs, and it's also helped it to grow as well. So I'm just smoothing this part down, and then I'm gonna take a little bit just to tame any frizziness back here, because since I have extensions, like I don't wanna see the differentiation between my extensions and the hair. and voila, she is wavy. I usually don't put hair on both sides. I don't know, I usually just do one side. I'm weird, but we are done. And this style will last me a few days. I also love wearing it half up, even in a pony. She's cute. And that's it, you guys. It's super easy. I hope you enjoyed this little hair tutorial. It was fun for me to film today in my bathroom because I was gonna film in my studio, but it was just too hard because I sit down when I film makeup tutorials and I needed a mirror. So I was like, I'm going to my bathroom today. Honestly though, this has been my mood lately. I have been loving a good side part. Look who came in here. Hello. Aspen, say hello to the world. Say hello. What about Molly? You want to say hey either? Alright you guys, so this wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little hair tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Even if you don't like it, thumbs it up. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Turn those post notifications on. Also, leave me in the comments if you have any other tutorials you guys want to see. Let me know. I'm not the best at hair, but I can try for you guys. Just don't ask me to braid because I can't braid. But yeah, thanks for watching. Love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.